This video takes place inside a modern smart factory where fruit juice is produced at industrial scale. We will follow the complete fruit juice manufacturing process from start to finish. Automation, digital control, and integrated data systems drive every stage of production. This is not a factory tour, but an explanation of how modern manufacturing systems actually work. Fruit enters the factory under controlled cold storage conditions. Each batch is digitally identified before processing begins. Fruit is transferred into the processing line in a controlled manner. Fruit is washed before further processing. Washing removes surface contamination. Clean fruit moves forward without manual contact. Automated inspection verifies raw material quality. Non-conforming material is removed from the process. Only suitable fruit continues toward extraction. The selected fruit goes into the pressing area. Juice is separated from solid material through fully enclosed processes. Extracted juice is transferred through sealed systems. The juice is filtered to remove remaining particles. Filtration operates under controlled pressure and flow. Thermal treatment ensures product safety. Pasteurized juice remains fully enclosed. Containers are prepared for filling. Filling operations are precisely controlled. Containers are sealed immediately after filling. Automated inspection verifies fill level and closure quality. Non-compliant units are removed automatically. Approved containers proceed to labeling. Each unit receives a unique production code. Finished containers are grouped for packaging. Cartons are formed and sealed automatically. Wrapped packages are prepared as an alternative format. Packaged products move toward palletizing. Pallets are built in stable, repeatable patterns. Finished pallets are transferred to storage. Automated systems manage warehouse operations. Inventory placement is managed automatically. Products are stored with full traceability. Production and logistics operate are one system. Data is collected across every stage of the process. Automation ensures consistent product quality. Output remains traceable and predictable. Every unit can be traced back to its origin. This is fruit juice manufacturing at industrial scale. Efficiency is built into process. From raw fruits to finished bottles. Safety and quality are engineered into the system. Transparency defines modern food production. Smart factory reduces risks and variability. Data connects every stage of operation. This is how fruit juice is produced today. Designed for safety, quality, and traceability. Control is automated and transparent. This is fruit juice processing and filling in a smart factory. Hygiene and control are maintained throughout production. Quality is verified continuously. Automation reduces human error. Consistency defines the final product. Multiple packaging formats serve different markets. Distribution follows the same controlled logic. Each shipment remains fully traceable. Digital systems coordinate the entire process. Timing and flow are precisely managed. Output remains reliable at scale. From processing to delivery, control is maintained. Modern manufacturing is built on precision and data. This is fruit juice processing and filling in a smart factory.